Characterization of bauxite and laterite ores in Yercaud Hill, Salem district, Tamil Nadu, India. The Charnocatic suite of rocks underlying the bauxite deposits of Yercaud Hill consists of quartz, plagioclase and potash feldspar, ortho and clinopyroxenes, garnet and secondary hornblende. Bauxite consists mainly of aluminum hydroxide minerals. Bauxite occurs in Yercaud Hill as a part of the Eastern Ghats range of Tamil Nadu of the Achaean Age. It is formed due to residual weathering and lateritization of Achaean Charnocite. In the study area, bauxite consists of hydrous aluminum oxides, aluminum hydroxides and laterites, which are mostly found in humid tropical climatic conditions due to intense weathering of the parent rock. The XRD study shows that gibbsite AlOH3, goethite FeO, OH and hematite Fe2O3 are the major minerals in the bauxites. From the XRF analysis, the major oxides are Al2O3, Fe2O3, SiO2, TiO2, P2O5, and Cr2O3. Based on the Al2O3, SiO2, Fe2O3 ternary plot, bauxites of this region have undergone strong lateritization. According to the chemical classification of laterites, Yercaud bauxites are categorized as ferrite and bauxitic ferrite with some amounts of bauxite. At high Al2O3 weight percentage 86%, low Fe2O3 concentration 10.56%, and TiO2 0.49% indicates it as a high-grade bauxite of aluminium hydroxides mineral gibbsite exploited mines 3, Semedu. High Fe2O3 constitutes 77.61% by weight, low Al2O3 18.22% and 0.89% TiO2 portrays it as iron-rich laterite exploited mines I, Manjakutti. This geochemistry reveals the site-specific Al2O3 weight percentage of bauxite ore within the study area of Shevarai Hill in Salem district. Introduction. India has rich deposits of bauxite, the main source of aluminium. Bauxite is a type of rock that contains aluminium minerals, mainly in the form of hydroxides. It is used not only to make aluminium metal through an industrial process called the Baer process, but also in other products. In India, bauxite is often found on hilltops as a layer formed by long-term weathering of certain rocks in tropical climates. Depending on the minerals it contains, bauxite is classified into different types, such as those rich in gibbsite or boehmite. The quality of bauxite is judged by its aluminium content, which must meet a certain level to be useful. Most of India's bauxite deposits are in the southern region, especially in the eastern and western Ghats. These deposits formed over time due to the breakdown of rocks under specific weather conditions and are vital for the aluminium industry. Conclusion. Mining is a key economic activity in many developing countries, but it can harm the environment, especially when not properly managed. This review focuses on the effects of clay mining, which damages ecosystems and reduces biodiversity. It shows that mining often destroys natural habitats and pollutes water sources, especially in areas where people rely on well water. Toxic metals can leak from mined areas into groundwater and wetlands, leading to serious health risks for both humans and wildlife. These harmful substances can also build up in plants and animals, eventually entering the food chain. The review stresses the importance of balancing industrial growth with environmental care, especially in sensitive regions. Proper cooperation between industry and environmental protection can help reduce the damage. Overall, the study highlights the urgent need to protect water quality at mining sites to safeguard both people's health and the surrounding ecosystems. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.